Hello. Hey, thanks for taking the moment out to take a look at our inventory out here at Guaranty RV. We are going to take a look at a very popular floor plan today. What this is this is a 217 Salem Forest River. It's a 19-foot unit. It's an extra light. It can be towed by just about anything, you guys. You can tow this with a small truck, a SUV, or anything. It's only, I want to be sure that I get the right weight for you. It's only 3,200 pounds. So it has some really neat stuff on it. This is a cruise light that's made by Forest River. You're probably very familiar with that company. They put together a lot of nice RVs. We've got oversized tanks here. We have an electric tongue jack, so you're able to load and unload with just the touch of a button. It also provides you a light. We've got this nice diamond plate to keep the vehicle from being beat up as you're driving down the road. And notice its nice aerodynamic shape. It really will deflect the wind for you nicely. It's got a pass-through storage here. And it's got a small opening on this side, but it's got a wide opening on the other side, so you can get a lawn chair in there and some of the other bigger things that you might take with you. Also, a lot of people have crank down stabilizing jacks. Not on this one. On this one, you get the electric stabilizers, and they just at a touch of a button pop right down, and you're all set up. A beautiful, large, long awning, and I want to show that to you because a lot of times the awning doesn't really suffice. This is an awning that comes all the way down the trailer. It's a dual axle. You also have the electric stabilizer here in the back. It's nice to have dual axles. That's a big help. You know, if you blow a tire, then you're not on your own here. We're just going to walk around this. This has a rear lounge in it, and I'm going to show you the interior of it in just a moment. It's got this handy dandy fold down utility rack. A lot of people will use this for a bicycle, maybe even a generator if you're out and about, if you want to go off the grid. And I know I'm an Oregonian. Every once in a while I just want to go up in the woods or over to the coast, someplace very quiet. You're going to come around here. This is a used unit, so it is licensed in Oregon. It's also ready for a satellite dish if you want a little dome dish, and cable if you're in a park. It is a 30 amp service, so if you take this into a state, federal, or county park, you're going to be right on the money because that's what they are providing, is a 30 amp service. It's a great marriage for the power. Come on down. This is a pre-owned vehicle, so this owner has done some nice things. This is a nice piece that you put over the vent for the hot water heater. Taking really good care of the tires. It's got a city water connection here. This is a holding tank flushing system for the black tank, and that's where your sewage water goes. That's a nice way of spraying it out. It has one of those outside showers, so you can clean the dog off, you can clean out your cooler. You've got hot and cold running water here, handy dandy. And now I'm going to show you the real joy of this thing. Come on, follow me. This is only a 19-foot trailer, and that's something I want to reiterate on. It's a 191 rear dinette extra light. And again, just 3,200 pounds. So I'm going to have the cameraman just go ahead and pan this nice interior. You've got a lovely couch, nice window coverings, a dedicated dinette so you can sit down and have dinner without having to put together a bed or take something down and around. It has a little TV that they've already installed, a really nice large refrigerator, big garment closet here. There's lots of storage. As you look around here, you've got storage above the sofa, storage above the dinette. You've got a great big storage area in here which can offer quite a bit. It's just like a dresser. You get a lot of stuff in there. A nice mirror makes it feel good in here. You get a nice oven. And you know what? When I look at these, when I come into a used vehicle, I have a way of looking at them that might be a little bit different because I'm an RVer. So what I want to see on an older unit or a used unit, this is a 17, so it's not all that old. I look here. Because if those burners aren't blued, they probably didn't use the oven or the range very much. A lot of people just go to a restaurant. They don't cook in the RVs at all. So when you buy it as a second-hand unit or a used unit, mildly used unit is what we like to say, then you're getting actually a new component. These don't have any bluing on them. I doubt seriously that they ever use the oven. I know my oven rack isn't that bright and shiny. You have some drawers here for convenience. You got a nice countertop here, a double sink, which is really, really handy. And they've got this raised spigot. More storage up here. And one of the things that I give two shakes and a hootie-doo is it has a shelf in it. So when you have your plates down here, or you want to put your cups up there, you've got a spot for them. It's already done for you. And it's got this nice little glass front. Has a great bathroom. Here's the bathroom right here. So it's got a tub and shower, it's got a nice vanity, it's got the place to store your towels and the toilet paper, nice little bathtub. It's just a 19-foot trailer. I want to reiterate that, a 19-foot trailer. So, and it has this bedroom here. You have a nice little bed that you can cuddle up in, another wardrobe closet, this privacy curtain that you want to open if you'd like. But most of all, as I say, the biggest thing that's really nice about this rig is that it's light, it's short, it's dual axled. It has a lot of very nice components that come with it, and they were put on factory direct. Folks, many, many times when you go camping, you back into the view. You back into the view. You've got all these beautiful windows. So my name is Barbara D. I have these nice little canvas bags made up. So my name is Barb. I'm Barbara Balcom, Barbara D at Guaranty RV. Come and see me. I'm at 541-521-4232. Give me a call. I'll answer some questions and help you. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.